The animal kingdom has over 1 million described species. These organisms are very diverse in their build, form, and function. A systematic framework helps us understand how animals are classified. This framework is based on basic morphological and anatomical characteristics. It allows biologists to assign new species to their correct positions. The classification system also shows evolutionary relationships between organisms. Animal classification is based on key features that show evolutionary relationships. One feature is the level of organization, ranging from simple cell aggregates to organ systems. Symmetry is another criterion, with types including asymmetry, radial symmetry, and bilateral symmetry. Embryonic germ layers also differ, with some animals having 2 layers and others having 3. The structure of the body cavity is important, with some animals having a cavity lined by mesoderm and others lacking one. Segmentation is a feature of some animals, where the body divides into repeating segments. The presence or absence of a notochord, a rod-like structure, is also a key characteristic that distinguishes chordates from non-chordates. The kingdom Animalia has 2 main groups, non-chordates and chordates. Non-chordates include 10 phyla. These phyla are Porifera, Colenterata, Satanophora, Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, Echinodermata, and Hemichordata. Each has distinct features. Chordates have a notochord, dorsal hollow nerve cord, and pharyngeal gill slits. This phylum splits into 3 groups: Orochordata, Cephalochordata, and Vertebrata. Vertebrata include several classes such as Cyclostomata, Chondrichthyes, Asteichthyes, Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Each class has unique characteristics. Chordates and non-chordates have key differences. The main difference is the notochord, a flexible rod that provides skeletal support, found in chordates. Chordates have a dorsal, hollow, and single central nervous system. In contrast, non-chordates have a ventral, solid, and typically double nervous system. Chordates have a pharynx with gill slits, which non-chordates lack. Chordates have a ventral heart, while non-chordates have a dorsal heart when present. Chordates also have a postanal tail, which non-chordates do not. These features distinguish chordates from non-chordates. An accolumellate lacks a body cavity between its body wall and gut. A coelom is a body cavity lined by mesoderm, and a pseudocoelom is not. Diploblastic organisms have 2 germ layers, whereas triploblastic organisms have 3. A notochord is a rod-like structure on the dorsal side. Some animals are homoeothermous, or warm-blooded, while others are poikilothermous. An ectoparasite lives on its host's surface. Hermaphrodites produce both eggs and sperm. In digestion, a gastrovascular cavity has a single opening. Cnidarians have nematocysts, stinging capsules. Sponges have choanocytes, flagellated cells. Various animals have unique features, such as operculum in bony fishes, parapodia in aquatic annelids, and a water vascular system in echinoderms. Some organisms can emit light, a property called bioluminescence. The animal kingdom classification system uses 6 key features. These features are cellular organization, body symmetry, germ layer arrangement, culum presence or absence, segmentation, and notochord presence. Non-chordate phyla include Porifera, Colenterata, and Setanophora. Others are Platyhelminthes, Aschelminthes, Annelida, Arthropoda, Mollusca, and Echinodermata. Chordates are divided into Agnatha, covering jawless vertebrates, and Gnathostomata, covering jawed vertebrates. Gnathostomata includes Pisces with cartilaginous and bony fish, and Tetrapoda. Tetrapoda covers 4-limbed vertebrates, including Amphibia, Reptilia, Aves, and Mammalia. Each group has distinct characteristics, such as feathers, scales, or mammary glands. Animal classification systems show how animals have evolved from simple to complex organization. An animal's symmetry reveals its body plan and how it has adapted to its environment. A coelom, when present, allows organs to specialize and perform complex functions. The notochord is a key feature of chordates, a flexible rod that runs along the body. Arthropoda is the most successful animal group, with the greatest species diversity. Vertebrates are divided into jawless and jawed animals, and then into fish and four-limbed vertebrates. Animals are also classified by thermoregulation. Poikilotherms, like fish and reptiles, and homoiotherms, like birds and mammals, which maintain a constant internal temperature.